Yep. Nice.
Yup. Now, do you want to like this and this, or do you want to kind of curve it? Yeah, I think a curve would look nice here.
Yeah. Yep.
So I'm thinking probably the next thing that would make sense to do is just pull like the little bit of gravel off the top of this, right?
Yeah.
And then do you want to bring in, I think it probably would make sense to bring in some fill for around this.
Yep. Yeah, that way we're not all topsoil.
Yeah, right. Like that way we bring it up like some too.
Yep.
Yeah, because like if we only had that much sticking out,
That'll look fine.
right. And then worst
Totally
case,
fine.
even if we added dirt over it, it is what it is.
Yeah. Yep.
The plan on that side is that more dirt's going on top of those retaining stones?
Yes.
Yep.
Yep. Yeah, we'll sprinkle in dirt everywhere. We'll get that all looking back to decent. We got to get this. We just got to get like that bowl out of there and make sure this all tapers this way, and then we'll also taper up a little bit too, so there's kind of like a gutter.
Yeah.
So why don't you back the van up so I could pull this all back?
Yep.
And Brett, why don't you take the truck and just kind of move it to that other driveway so that I could kind of use all this?
Yep. I'll get the steps kind of figured.
Just show me right where we're going to. Go get a couple loads of stuff.
Yeah, I think we'll do them all. We'll do 36 inches out and then the 3 steps, and that'll all work out fine. All right. So this is going to be our grade for the first step here. So from this pin, it is 36, right? Yep, that is 36. So we're going to cut out 12 inches back here, 4 feet wide to that grade. And then we're going to put a step there.
Need more cut or not?
Now pull it that way, Lynn. No, I think that'll do it. Here, Brett, you want to do the... You want to grab one of those little levels, this is the torpedoes that say the pitch on them, and grab like a 4-foot level too. Just make sure you got it across that whole thing because it's got pitch set to it. We need a couple of those slings, maybe 6-footers or 4. That's in my head.
So put some pressure down on your end so I could get my strap under. Good. And then you just get yours under. How you measuring this square?
It goes like as far as you can towards the back, so like another, good there. Probably
Good.
just set it down and we'll,
Yeah, you can adjust it by hand.
yeah.
Just don't take the straps out yet.
All right, go to the other side. Ah, you're good. I just gotta shimmy it slightly. We're not level. Nope.
Just smack down on the side of it.
Yeah.
That's the way it'll settle if it ever settles.
That's true.
Just shimmy it, maybe?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Kyle, you want to try that?
Now it's got on the pitch, so it needs to go down this way.
Or we did.
Maybe.
The Kyle Pactor.
Yeah. Made them a little.
It
It worked.
it moved a little bit.
Yeah.
All right, keep going, Kyle. Oh, it's going. Not that side, Kyle.
Back to this side.
Oh, you gotta get it evenly
Yeah,
compact.
over this side. Yeah, right here. Oh, yeah. There you go.
That did it. Money. All right, moving on. Probably just rake in behind it and to the side of it and see
Yep.
if we can't just get it ready with hand tools. Yeah, that's a method.
I just wanted to get a straight shot with the tape to make sure that we're...
If you're within an inch, you can adjust that as you go up.
Yeah. Quarter.
Yeah, that's good. One of you guys that are standing, grab a shovel and just start taking a little bit of that excess material out behind. That's probably good. Kyle, might be worth doing like real light tamps on that, but like real light so you're not pushing this stone out.
Try it.
You guys want to guide it down by hand? Yeah.
There's a mark.
You gotta go on again.
We can do it by hand if we have to. I mean, we will have to, but we will do it by hand.
We got buckets. No buckets. That's good.
Yeah, need a little more in there, just a sprinkle.
Good?
Yep. Nice.
Yeah, so I'll pull this back, I'll blend this all back out nice.
Yep.
Try to like make it so that like this thing sweeps down this way.
Yep.
And then we'll do the pea gravel, I guess.
Yeah.
And then the dirt will be last.
Yep.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe I'll, is the white truck empty? Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Maybe I'll run back and grab topsoil right now and then we could finish out that bit before we pea gravel it.
Yep.
I think it makes sense to like curve this out and then have this kind of Y right here, right?
Yep.
And then like kind of right through here to the driveway.
That makes sense.
It could even Y a little further back if we wanted to, and that way there's like a nice little planter area up in there too.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but if we move that stuff.
That's good.
Good?
You can't hear me. Is there a hump there, or is it good?
Not anything that could get raked out.
Alright. You want to, should we do the dirt on this next?
That's what I was cleaning up so we could.
Just on the top, basically?
Yeah.
And we got to do something about this.
Yep.
That doesn't have to be quite so pronounced.
Nope.
Where's the level?
What do you want to do? Have a lot less?
Yeah, you don't need a big hole. I'll blend it.
Plenty of pitch, right?
Yeah, it's good to basically right here is the pitch, so
Yeah.
I'll just pull a little bit of this back,
Yeah.
a little bit of that back, and we'll make it work.
All right, Kyle.
You want me to just dump it all there? You can shovel it up?
Yep. Yeah, so we're still gonna do the dirt cascade, but had to do something first there too. Shovel it right up on that.
Oh, that one?
Yeah.
Was it saying we
Yeah,
always
it's
have to burn
that too. No, we don't need anything on it.
Yeah, and then we're gonna try to like ramp it up to these a little bit too as we're going. So kind of just like any of this excess, kind of just tamp it in good.
Yeah. Just kind of chop it up with the shovel too.
Huh?
Clumps. Here's 4 feet. So we'll be roughly.
Yeah, because then you'll
That
get
works.
gravel going over to here.
Yeah, parking spots, and yeah.
This is gonna it's kind of got to like curve out. And this you got it plenty thick in here. You could come on out to here, and we're gonna kind of like chamfer it in. Your hair shallow up in there, kind of like to make it nice and
Yeah, I could use. Really just fill this edge in.
guys, you gotta like blend it to like a nice consistent edge, like a nice curve.
Should we go get dirt with 3 trucks?
Get what?
More dirt?
Yeah, we could do that.
Just a happy-go-lucky guy.